Just as the internet is a form of expression of ideas, an excellent way of communication, a direct door to knowledge, it can also become a counterproductive tool for people. In adulthood, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+ host more than 50% of their users between 25 and 44 years old. The use of the internet by adolescents is mostly used to establish links, find solutions to problems, and get away from reality. The participation of young people in web pages to listen to music, play online games, and network are more frequent. They are more affected since the influence on the part of your friends and colleagues can generate great pressure. From a young age, children live in a virtual land which is an important part of their lifetime. It is a tool with which they expand their knowledge in different areas. This is why they are one of the most vulnerable to be deceived by unscrupulous people, to spend a whole day on the internet, and from there you get examples of inadequate behavior, since they are in the process of formation. To establish a treatment for this problem, it must be recognized that you do not have the control of this medium, and you must occupy your mind in activities that allow development to a personal level. Make plans with family, be motivated to spend time in nature or do physical exercise. Life, people, the environment. Enjoy the little things that are presented in our reality is an unparalleled treasure, so we must preserve and treasure the virtual tools offered by the universe.